What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Cosmos, also known as Atom. We're going to see what Cosmos is all about, first checking out the current price action, and then diving into their website. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So, checking out the current price action. As you can see, Cosmos is up about 20% in the last 24 hours, and to the US dollar and to Bitcoin, 20%. So, that's what's up. The market cap of Cosmos is approximately $1.5 billion, just under 1.5. And then, so we have a current, a circulating supply and a total supply. So the circulating supply is approximately 202 million atoms, and then the total supply is around 260 million atoms. So you definitely want to see what's going on there, what's their planned on bringing out the rest of the tokens into the market. And as always, you would never expect the founders to just dump all these tokens out and crash the price. That's just not what they're into. Let's scroll down, see what the all-time high for Atom is. As you guys can see, $7.57 for the 52-week high. The all-time high, though, is $8.31. So we're definitely approaching the all-time high area. And we're just going to go straight to their website. As you can see, this is their homepage right here. Just says, join the most powerful ecosystem of connected blockchains, and the most keeps changing because they're trying to do it all. And you see, calling all Cosmonauts, prepare for Strategic testnet coming soon. And when you click on that, it brings you to this page. So it says the internet of blockchain is on the horizon. Get notified when testnet starts. So if you're interested in what's going on with them, you put your email in there, sign up to get notified. But we're going to dive in more just to see what it's all like, what Cosmos is all about. So Cosmos solves today's hardest blockchain problems. Scalability. Scalability is always a big issue. That's what's being talked about with pretty much every coin, Bitcoin, everything. Because it says proof of work protocols are slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful. I mean, everybody has that. You could talk about Bitcoin as proof of work. It definitely is on the slower side, and the fees go up as the price of Bitcoin goes up. So you can argue and say it's unscalable. And with the way the mining is done, you could argue and say that has a bad impact to the environment. So I guess the way they're fixing that is through this thing called Tendermint, BFT. So Tendermint is I'm going to say this wrong, Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus engine that powers Cosmos proof of stake. So backing up a step, it seems like proof of stake is something big in the crypto space right now, because back in 2017 it was not the biggest thing. ICOs were. Proof of stake over the past 2 years have become a thing. Like Ethereum is looking to go to proof of stake with their next upgrade if they can make it happen, which we all hope they can. And I mean, I think they'll make it. It's just going to take longer than what they're saying. So everybody is following that proof of stake model. I mean, who doesn't like staking their coins or tokens and then getting more back for free? So on to the next thing about Cosmos, the usability. Blockchain applications are complex and difficult to understand for developers. It says Cosmos SDXK fixes this. Cosmos SDXK is a modular framework for building interoperable application-specific blockchains. So guys, I'm not a computer programmer, so I don't know all the technical jargon to all this, but I just know SDKs, from my knowledge, is basically just helps make the coding process easier, from my understanding. So it seems like they're trying to make it easier for developers, so then they can build on Cosmos. And up next is the interoperability. Blockchain economics are siloed and cannot transfer assets between each other. Yeah, that's like an issue, not being able to transfer assets to each other. We see a couple different kind of protocols trying to fix that issue, and this is one of them. So the IBC protocol fixes this. Inter-blockchain communication, IBC, is a TCP/IP-like messaging protocol for blockchains. Guys, when you hear something like TCP/IP-like, that right there, light bulb in my head, because I mean, there was better things back in the day for the internet, but somehow TCP/IP is the one that won. So we shall see what happens if they can actually be the latest version of TCP/IP. That'd be cool. Scrolling down some more. It says, launch your own specific blockchain today. So you can learn more about that if you're interested, and build your own Cosmos with their SDK kit. And then it says Stargate, the internet of blockchains is on the horizon. Stargate is a set of upgrades that complete the original roadmap laid out in Cosmos white paper. For the first time ever, Cosmos blockchains will be able to connect with each other. As I highly recommend, if you're going to invest in something, you should check out the white paper. I'm not going to go over today. If you guys want me to go over white papers when I go over coins and tokens, just let me know down in the comments below. But if you guys aren't interested, I'm going to let you do that on your own. But I can do it if you guys want it. But yeah, just check out the white paper because just see what the roadmap is. Just get a better understanding of what they're doing. And then just have some of the latest information. That just making it better for developers with the SDK. Let's move on. Oh, this is something I definitely wanted to point out. The online workshops code with us. So it's live interactive workshops designed to educate and provide real-time practice to developers in the Cosmos community. Guys, that's like a big deal. So they're engaging with developers, just trying to make their blockchain, make their token like great. So they're just trying to make it easy to use for the developers so that they can actually build. So moving on to the community, become a star in the Cosmos. Connect with a fast-growing community of developers and innovators all over the world, building the new era of internet. So guys, with every kind of token, coin, whatever, they all have a community. And if you want to stay in touch with the community, you want to make sure with the right, not any fake accounts. So, you got their Cosmos, it's at Cosmos on Twitter, you got their Reddit, you got a community chat on Telegram, you got Discord, their official forum, their SDK source code, and it looks like they have a YouTube channel as well. So if you're into Cosmos, you should definitely check these out. I would definitely be following them and see what's, like the latest and greatest in the Cosmos space. It says Cosmos meetups. That's something that's pretty cool to have in meetups. I mean, a community that has meetups is definitely like you see these pictures right here. I think that's so cool that they they meet up in person, have like events. So it just says communities and cities all over the world are forming meetups to unite for Cosmos. So you can start a meetup or join a meetup. So if you live in an area that has a lot of people in it, like a city, see if there's a Cosmos party. You can go learn a thing or two. Then you guys can check out the latest articles when you guys have some free time if you're into Cosmos. We're going to be moving on. So it just says the ecosystem, welcome. We're proud to have a strong network of Cosmos developers and contributors from all over the world. Well, they're helping make that happen because they are trying to make it easier for the developers. And this is blockchain projects, guys. This I really wanted to point out. Here's a showcase of what projects that are actively building on Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, first three. I have not heard of Akash Network, but we have heard of Band Protocol, and we've all heard of Binance Chain, if I'm not mistaken. I have not mentioned it on this video, but I have mentioned buying on Binance or Binance.us. So this right here, Binance, to me, Binance is like the Amazon of crypto because they're just here to win it. When Americans could not use Binance.com, they worked so hard to get Binance.us out. And yeah, it took like 5 months, but you have to keep in mind there's regulations, there's all these rules they have to follow, so it's going to take some time. But they worked so hard to get that out. They have the Binance Dex. They've added so many fiat on-ramps to Binance.com for non-USD currencies, which is great. That's more on-ramps. If you were not here in 2017, you don't understand the struggle when new people wanted to buy stuff on Binance or Coinbase. The exchanges literally stopped accepting new registrations. You could not make a new account because their whole the website couldn't handle it. It would just crash. They had to shut down new registrations just so people could actually, the users that already have accounts could actually trade. So I think Binance through this bear market, they developed so much. This guy right here, Binance, it's a big deal in my opinion. And look, Band Protocol, they're doing that Web 3.0 stuff, and they just got listed on Pro Coinbase. I understand the price is very volatile, but hey, in the future, we shall see what happens. I do need to check out Akash Network. That's something I want to see because for some reason it's the first one on their blockchain projects. I'll have to check that out. And just scrolling down, this thing called eMoney, IOV, IrisNet. I'm not too familiar with this. I've heard of Kava. Not too much stuff here. Sentinel sounds familiar, and the Regen Network. So guys, they're helping out, and trying to just build their project, you know, their ecosystem, so it's bigger and bigger. You know, that's just what's up. We're gonna go check out the tools. As I said, you know, if you want to build, they got the Cosmos SDK, so you can, you know, build on their chain. So just go here and learn, and they have a developer chat. So just trying to make it as easy as possible if you're looking to build on their network. Which, I mean, as an investor, if you're just investing, that's great. You know, that's what you want to see. You know, they're trying to make it easy here by just posting up these, you know, SDKs and stuff to help like developers code. That's great, because the IBC, the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, is a reliable and secure intermodule communication protocol that allows blockchains to connect with one another. That says coming soon. Guys, this is a big deal. This is a big deal. Hopefully they can implement it and actually be successful with it, because that would be a major deal and a major price movement I would see in Cosmos if this goes live. I did want to end the video by going to TradingView and checking out the latest and greatest in the Atom space. Let's just check the charts, guys. I call that the circle of death when it does that. So as you can see, the 50 is above the 200. You know, we don't have much data on this, as you know, this is the Coinbase one. So it hasn't been around too long on Coinbase, but it's been around long enough to get some data. Look, this thing spiked up to basically $9 in the last 24 hours. And it was as low as around 637. So $6.37 to $9. That's a major movement, just, you know, the same daily candle. That's what's up, especially when the previous candle was as low as around $5.40. So that's a major movement, and we shall see if Cosmos can keep this momentum. As I've said in all my other videos, we're in a bull trend. The trend is your friend, and the trend is bullish. So the number one thing I like to compare all this to, all these altcoins breaking out, is the one that made the first moves. Let's back it up on Link, okay? This right here, if you haven't seen it in the previous videos, I'm going to show you again. If you didn't understand, hopefully this time it breaks out. So let's get the mouse out of the way. You see this? Oh, see, it had, like, Link had a boom, okay? A boom. So now we're consolidating. We went down a little. Oh my, we consolidated for a little bit and we went up. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We went up even more. Consolidate. Boom. Consolidate. Consolidate. Oh, we're consolidating. Okay, now we're some more consolidating. Oh, another consolidation. But you know, we're consolidating right here. So as of right now with Link, you know, at $14.80 some cents, it's just consolidating. And Link's already had these major move. You go look at, and I'm not saying I think Link's a great buy at this opportunity. But what I'm saying with Atom, if you're already holding, Atom's just starting to make the move. So we'll see if it can consolidate and then boom, consolidate and then boom. We shall see what happens. So this is how, like, something like this, like we'll see, you know, like some consolidation, and see if we can boom, you know, consolidation and then boom. Maybe it won't play out that. Maybe it just goes back down and then booms up. But I think something like that would be realistic. As always, homies, this is not financial advice. This is just pure entertainment. Invest at your own risk. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. I hope you guys enjoyed this Cosmos video. The Crypto Homie is signing out.